Like you said, it can be the breakdown of many family domestic environments, but it can also be the building up and the vehicle to be able to create stickiness and bonding between a family household. So if you're finding something as you might think chores is something that is relatively trivial, but like you can use that to really, really be the gel and the glue in your family. And if you want to find out how to actually be able to do something like that, we'd love to have a call with you to be able to use anything around your day-to-day life to be able to create a bond between you, your partner, and your kids. And, we have the booking link in the notes below, and we'd love to just have a chat with you, start with where you're at right now and understand how we can take those first steps to be able to create that bond.
Love it. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, Pauly.